You know, when I first tried Oktoberfish, I thought, wow, let me make a barbecue sauce with this. I love cooking, I like creating new flavors, and I like to see, you know, people's impression of it at the end of the day. So yeah, we made some ribs today, and I've incorporated a beer reduction. So I took your Oktoberfish beer, reduced it, and now I'm gonna blend that into my barbecue sauce. So we're gonna have some great ribs today. So the reason I reduced the beer is to get more of those full flavors, the real core flavors of the beer. And when you put that into the barbecue sauce and lay that on your ribs, you're really getting that true flavor of beer and barbecue together.
Our Oktoberfish is a Marzen style beer, which has more of a toasty, roasted caramel flavor than a lager beer. A lager beer would be a little bit smoother, crisper, cleaner, where this beer is a little bit richer, has a nuttier, toastier caramel flavor to it.
Would you say there's any like sweetness to it?
Absolutely, it would have a moderate sweetness. It's not cloying where it's syrupy, but it's a full mouth sweetness. My inspiration about beer is the consumer, the end user. They have to really enjoy it, and then they ask me to top myself, and they're the driving force as a brewer. So as I feed great beer to people, they ask better beer from me.
I think beer and barbecue go well together because they both bring people together. It's all about the gathering, you know, get friends and family together, eat good food, drink good beer, and how can you go wrong with that?
Barbecue and beer go together like, you know, no other two ingredients. Each one of the, I guess they would be vocations, require a catalog of knowledge and a willingness to study it and go through those processes to deliver. You're constantly critiquing yourself and making yourself better. I mean, this is like perfect, a pairing made in heaven. Beer, ribs, and your sauces and rubs.
Thank you.
Delicious, thank you so much. And we're gonna just like drink beer and finish this rack of ribs.
Yes, we are. Cheers.